Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I am taking unit 2, that is a Z transform. So in this particular video I am taking about examples of phase shifting property. There are two points that you need to remember. There are two formulas or the properties you can say that you have to remember. That is, when we have e raised to minus ak into f of k, then we have to replace the z by e raised to a into z. And when we have e raised to ak into f of k, then we have to replace it by e raised to minus a into z. So you have to remember, when we have a minus over here, we have a positive a. When we have a positive a raised to e raised to ak over here, then we have over here negative e raised to a. So this is the thing that we have to replace z. We have to replace z by this term. So before starting, I would like to say that in my previous video I have taken examples based on shifting property, change of scale property, multiplication property. So you can please go back to my previous video. I have left the link in the description below, and also the formula sheet that you need to see to understand this sum in a better way. So now let's start. So in this particular sum we have e raised to minus 3k cos 4k. Whereas we have k is greater than equal to 0. So first thing we have to remember is, over here whenever we have something like e raised to ak type sums, we have to remember that this is a phase shifting property. So we have e raised to minus 3k, means e raised to the first one minus ak, it resembles the first one. So first what will we do, we'll remove the z transform of cos 4k. So z transform of cos 4k, the transform of cos 4k, over here we have the formula sheet, cos alpha k. So this is the formula. So in the place of alpha we have to write 4. So let's write z square minus z cos 4 upon z square minus 2z cos 4 plus 1. So now this is the z transform. This is the z transform of cos 4k. So now we can term it as a. Now in the b part, what will we do? We'll put phase shifting property. So by phase shifting property, what we have to do is we have to just replace z by e raised to a into z. Z square, in the place of z square, what will we put? E raised to a into z square minus 2 cos 4 upon e raised to a into z whole square minus 2 e raised to a into z cos 4 plus 1. Now we have to simplify this. Now how will we do that? That is e raised to 2a into z raised to 2 minus 2 cos 4 upon e raised to 2a into z square minus 2 e raised to a into 2z cos 4 plus 1. Now what we will do is, now we know that the value of a is 3 over here. So we'll put the value, that is e raised to 2 into 3 into z square minus 2 cos raised to 4 upon e raised to 2 into 3 into z square minus 2 e raised to 3 into 2z cos 4 plus 1. So this is the final answer of the sum. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. In the upcoming videos I'll be taking the next topic regarding Z transform. So stay tuned. Also I upload videos every Monday to Saturday. So keep watching.